Hi, Mala. It's great to see you. How are you feeling this month?
Hello, Kritika. I'm okay, but the pain, it's still very difficult. It feels like a constant heavy ache in my lower stomach. I wish I knew a better way to stop it.
I completely understand. Those cramps, or dysmenorrhea, can be really tough. But there are many effective things you can do. We are going to go through a few simple remedies and strategies.
Oh, please tell me. I want to try anything that helps.
The absolute best home remedy is heat. Applying warmth to your lower abdomen and lower back can relax the contracting uterine muscles. You can use a hot water bottle, an electric heating pad, or even a warm cloth. Try applying heat for about 15 to 20 minutes at a time. Also, a gentle massage on that area can really help ease the tension.
A warm cloth. That is easy. My grandmother often uses one for back pain. I didn't think it would work for this.
Next, don't just rest, try some gentle movement. Light exercises like walking or simple stretches, often called yoga poses, can release endorphins. A great one is the child's pose. It gently compresses the abdomen and helps to relieve tension. Remember, gentle is the key.
That stretching actually feels quite good. When the pain is bad, I usually just want to lie down and not move.
Let's talk about food and drink. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water. Also, certain herbal teas like ginger or chamomile are known to have anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe the pain. Try to eat less salt, sugar, and caffeine around your period. Instead, focus on foods with good nutrients like bananas, green leafy vegetables, and whole grains.
So, a warm ginger tea and water, and maybe a banana. That sounds like a good plan.
Finally, if the heat, massage, and gentle movement aren't enough, it's okay to take an over-the-counter pain reliever. Take it with food and take it when the pain first starts. Don't wait until the pain is unbearable. And always check with a trusted elder or doctor first to make sure it's the right choice for you.
Thank you, Kritika. I feel much calmer now, knowing I have these simple strategies to try. It's comforting to know I don't just have to suffer through it.
Exactly. Be kind to your body, Mala. You are strong. Remember, these discomforts are normal, and managing them is a part of self-care. See you soon. Take care.